Want to know how to use encapsulation in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can use encapsulation in your code. So I have this code right here. You can just simply copy this code up or modify it by yourself. So in this medium length code, we know that encapsulation means hiding data using private access. So we have done the same right here. So here the name is private. You can't access it directly. So you can see my name has been set to MANS and I cannot directly access it. So we use public set name method and get name method. So you can see a set name right here and get name as well right here. So this is used to update and read the code or the text. So that's how we control access to variables in order to protect data and keep it clean. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.